Hi everyone, I would like to use this homework on page 118, exercise 4.8, to review what is super key and candidate key, primary key, and foreign key, and also the integrity constraint. I'm going to use an example to review it. As you know, this is on exercise 4.8, and I also list out the questions on here, which is a tables of which is a database contains 4 tables. They are hotel table contains 3 fields, and room table or relation or table and relation I always use it interchangeable. And hotel table has hotel number as the primary key. Room number has room number plus hotel number together as a primary key. As you can think that hotel can have the same room number, but you got to say the hotel number so that you can uniquely identify a room for this database. For booking, hotel number, guest number, day from, together 3 fields is a primary key for booking table. And why? Because you can talk about the same guest, that he or she stay in the same room number, hotel, and then you got to say which dates from, because the customer can stay the same hotel but different dates. And for guest number is a primary key which uniquely identify a record. Now we identify all the primary key, right, and for each relation or for each table. So I also created a couple 3 records for each table. Hotel table I created 3 records, room number and booking number and guest, just for your visualization. However, we don't need those records to determine the foreign keys. Alright, so if you review the definitions for super key, candidate key, primary key, and foreign key, and then I'm going to start from here. The super key is a set of keys, or a key, or a set of attribute, or one attribute that can uniquely identify a record. That is called a super key. Now, super key in hotel table, and hotel number can uniquely identify a record. That is true because hotel number is unique. However, if you put hotel number together with hotel name, you still can uniquely identify a tuple or a record, another term called tuple. Now, but it will be too much because you actually just need hotel number. So therefore, the definition of candidate key says a super key such that there is no proper subset, because if you, so for instance, the hotel number and hotel name together, you can have the proper subset, which is hotel number and hotel name, but doesn't include itself, which is hotel number together with hotel name. So the hotel number itself is already a super key. Therefore, hotel number and hotel name together cannot be a candidate key. However, hotel number itself is a candidate key because there is no proper subset. So the definition, you can tell the definition is that a super key is such that there is no proper subset. Conceptually, you can say a candidate key contains multiple sets of attributes that can identify a record. So you can tell that hotel name is what is an actual information to identify a record. Just hotel number is enough. Alright, let's look at one of the candidate keys. You can choose one of the candidate keys to be the primary key. Then the rest of the candidate keys are called alternate keys. Now look at the foreign key. The foreign key says that the foreign key definition says attribute or set of attributes within one relation that match a candidate key or a primary key for some relation. So you can see from the relation of the tables here, room table And hotel number is a foreign key because it's a regular fields over here. Yes, it's part of the primary key, but doesn't matter. It refers to what? To the primary key in hotel table. So this is what? This is a foreign key in room table. Now, however, in the booking table, hotel number, which is part of the primary key, but is a primary key in hotel table. So it's a foreign key in booking table, but it's a primary key in hotel table. Look at the guest number. It's a field in booking table, but it is a primary key in guest table. And again, I also identify that hotel number together with room number, which is a primary key. Room number and hotel number together is a primary key in room table. So therefore, there are 4 foreign keys. One is hotel number in room table, and the other one is hotel number in booking table, and guest number in booking table, which refers to guest number in the guest table, and also hotel number together with room number in booking table references to hotel number and room number in the room table. So there are 4 foreign keys. I explained in the blackboard over here. And in guest table, there is no foreign key because there is only one primary key and no foreign key at all. And the entity, I mean the integrity, for the entity integrity, it says that there is no attribute or no attribute of a primary key that can be null. It means all the primary key values should contain a value, shouldn't be null. So you can see here, hotel number, you should have a hotel number assigned for each record, which is true here, right? And room number together with hotel number, those 2 fields must contain valid values, and guest number in guest table should contain a value. Right, over here for the foreign key, it says that if I have a foreign key over here, hotel number, it must match any one of the hotel number in the hotel table. 121, 121, and 222, which is correct. If you have hotel number 4 that doesn't match any of the hotel number in the hotel table, it is an error. Same as here, booking table guest number must guest number 1, guest number 2, guest number 3. If you have guest number 4 that doesn't create it in the guest table, then it is a problem. And again, over here, hotel number together with room number must exist in the hotel in the room table. That's hotel number and 11, you have it. Room number 21, which is fine, you have 21, and you have 23, you have 23, so this is fine. So that's how it happened that this is called foreign key. If you try to violate foreign key integrity, which is called referential integrity, database doesn't allow you to enter the data. So this is kind of review for this section, and so that you can work on homework week assignment for here. Very similar to what you have in this table, but I just want to review it, practice, and so that you can submit your questions, submit your answers that identify the foreign keys. Same as this, you can find the foreign keys, and also you can identify, you can find out the entity integrity, which means all the primary key values shouldn't be null. And you also can identify entity integrity. Entity integrity is primary key cannot be null, and foreign key means if you have the value, for instance, your item ID reference to item ID in the item table, and the value of item ID should match any of the value in the item ID of the item table. Okay, so if you have any question, let me know. But I just created this video together with explanation over here, so that you know how to do the answers. Okay, so enjoy it, and I'm going to post it, and then you will see post any question you have. Alright, go on. Thank you.